Welcome to your complete full-body yoga journey, where strength meets flexibility and movement meets mindfulness. Today, we'll flow through powerful poses designed to energize your body, improve flexibility, and bring inner calm. Take a deep breath, and let's begin.
Lotus pose. Sit tall, hands on knees. Breathe deeply. Hip circles, standing hip rotations. Start by gently rotating your hips, loosening tension and waking up your body. Standing side stretch. Reach up high, bend to each side. Feel the stretch along your spine. Standing forward fold. Slowly fold forward. Relax your neck and shoulders. Knee to chest stretch. Bring one knee in. Hug it close. Switch sides. Air pump static core pulses. Pulse gently. Feel your core activate and strengthen. Side lunge. Shift your weight side to side. Open your hips. Eye of the needle pose. Cross your leg, gently pull in. Release tension in your glutes. Recline bound angle pose. Lie back, bring feet together. Relax and breathe. Seated half lotus with raised hands. Lift your arms. Feel grounded and centered.
Find your strength in Utkatasana, or chair pose. Start in mountain pose. Feet grounded on chest open. Inhale as you reach high. Then exhale, sitting your hips back deeply into that invisible chair. Keep your weight in your heels. Start in a reclined position, placing your hands by your ears with fingers pointing toward your shoulders. On an exhale, press firmly into your hands and feet to lift your hips and press toward the sky, arching into a full back bend. Keep your arms strong and your inner thighs engaged. Breathing deeply as you open your heart before tuck your chin and slowly lower. Stand tall in mountain pose and reach your arms overhead, interlacing your fingers with your index fingers pointing up. On an exhale, lean your torso to one side while pushing your hips in the opposite direction, creating a long crescent shape through your side body. Keep your chest open and your weight even. In both feet, then inhale back to center before switching sides. Stand tall in mountain pose and reach your arms overhead, interlacing your fingers with your index fingers pointing up on an exhale. Lean your torso to one side while pushing your hips in the opposite direction, creating a long crescent shape through your side body. Keep your chest open and your weight even. In both feet, then inhale back to center before switching sides. Sit comfortably on the floor with one foot tucked into the opposite hip crease for half lotus. Inhale deeply as you sweep your arms overhead, reaching your fingertips toward the sky while keeping your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. Lengthen your spine from the tailbone to the crown of your head, engaging your core and grounding your sit bones firmly into the mat as you breathe into. Stand with your feet wide and hips squared, then extend your arms out to the sides. Reach your forward hand toward the floor or a block on the outside of your front foot as you rotate your torso toward the sky. Reach your top arm straight up to create a vertical line, engaging your core and pressing firmly into both feet to maintain balance in this deep spinal twist. Kneel with your hips between your heels and slowly lean back until your torso rests on the mat. Keep your knees grounded and your spine long, feeling the deep stretch in your hip flexors and quads. Reach your arms overhead to open the chest, breathing deeply before using your core to rise. Lie on your back and pull your knees toward your chest, grabbing the outer edges of your feet. Position your ankles directly over your knees and gently pull down to bring your knees toward the floor. Keep your lower back grounded and your spine long, breathing deeply as you gently rock side to side to release your hips.